So guys, the time has come. The beloved iPad Pro that we see here in front of me, that's seen this channel go from 90 subscribers in April to the strong 1200 we are now, has been sold. As much as I've enjoyed it, and I have enjoyed this iPad, I mean, it's opened up possibilities that I couldn't do with the Windows laptop I used before. There were just certain things that would get on my nerves, should I say. And it was small things, but it was enough for me to change the, well, you'll see what I'm talking about. Chrome extensions, for some reason we can't use them on the iPad Pro at all, because obviously it's still using the mobile versions of browsers and stuff. You can request the full website, but it still doesn't give you that possibility. And it's just not, in my eyes, it's close, but there's still a lot missing to make this a full laptop replacement. However, this is gone, going tomorrow, it's been sold. We move on. And let's see, I did get something to replace this. So, with all the, some people say hype that's come out recently with the M1 chips, I went and bought the MacBook Air M1. I got the 16GB RAM version, 512GB storage. This is going to be, well, this is a big upgrade for the channel. But yeah, we're going to unbox it. Fun fact, since before the iPad Pro, I was solely a Windows user. I've never opened a Mac or owned a Mac laptop of any sort. The iPad Pro was the first Apple laptop type of thing that I'd owned, and especially using it solo. So this is going to be a fun experience. So without further ado, let's open the MacBook Air. Now, I know one thing that Apple do well, and they do very well, is give you a good experience when the customer is unboxing their purchase. So obviously the design on the box is very minimalistic. Let's see what, well, we know what we get inside, but ooh. Cold to the touch, just like it should be. Right, so you know that's got a bit of weight to it, but I can tell straight away from holding this, just from holding it out of the box, that it's definitely premium when it comes to quality. And as David would say from DevTech,
have you ever just held something and you just know it's magical? Yes.
Let's pop that on the side. One thing I know for sure though that I'm going to be doing with this is getting a case, because I cannot stand the thought of possibility of damaging some of these corners or anything. So we'll see what kind of cases they have. If anybody knows of any slim cases that work nicely with the MacBook Air 2020, drop them down in the comments box below and I'll check them out. So what do we get? We get a USB-C to USB-C cable, lovely. We get a little booklet, a lot of booklets. Okay, that's nothing exciting there, but we do get some stickers. I thought Apple stopped giving these out. Apparently they've come to their senses and they've realized that we as consumers, we want our stickers. And I think that's it. Right, that goes there, that goes there. If anybody else has purchased the M1 MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, let me know in the comments box below, because I know that quite a few people have purchased them, but I'm wondering how many of my viewers have actually purchased them. So let's This is probably one of the most premium feeling laptops I've ever encountered. Like, honestly. And one thing I'm going to love with this one is because there's no fans. Obviously the iPad didn't have any fans. But with the old laptops I'd used to have, even the 6-core ones, as soon as you start doing something, the fans ramp up and can get quite loud. But this is going to be, from what I've seen, I mean I waited a bit before getting my one, but from what I've seen with reviews, 99% of things have been positive. So I can't wait to... And there we go. Obviously I went for the space grey colour, because that's the only colour you should be getting. No, I'm joking, you can get what colour you want, but my personal favourite is space grey. Anyway guys, I'm going to set this up. So just a quick unboxing video and situation update. Oh, okay.
To use English as the main language, press
so
the
I'm
return
going to set this up. If you guys want to see any tests on this one or anything you want me to do specifically on this, because I'm just going to be using this, probably going to be getting Final Cut Pro as well, moving over from LumaFusion. Yeah, drop it down comments box if you've got any suggestions. I love this trackpad, it's huge. And then I get to use my beloved MX Master. Again, a Logitech mouse that's been packaged away for such a long time because there's been no point using it with the iPad really. I know it's got the mouse support, but it's not the same as using the pencil. There is a few things I'm going to miss with the iPad, as having a touchscreen, being able to use the pencil, but majority I'm going to be so happy to come back to a desktop type of feeling. But this also has the iPad iOS feeling in there, so best of both worlds I guess. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button below to see more content on this MacBook M1. Like the video, hit the notification bell to be notified of more content once it comes out. And like I said, got any suggestions you want to see, drop them in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.